About 3 years ago, I got a Corsair Strafe RGB Mechanical Keyboard with Cherry MX red key switches. For as long as I have owned it, I have loved my keyboard. I love the way it looks, the way it performs, everything. However, if you're a regular of my channel, you know that in my previous video, I swapped my original keycaps out for Corsair's double shot keycaps. I did this because my original keycaps were beginning to show some signs of wear, and the 2 key was especially bothering me because thanks to the time I've been logging playing Fortnite over the past 15 or so months, all that pressing of the W key to move forward, and my fingernail has slowly been scratching away at the paint on the side of the keycap. While I was shopping for my new keycaps, I came across this set of double shot keycaps on Amazon made by HyperX. What intrigued me about these particular keycaps, other than their attractive $25 price tag, is how only the top portion of the keycap is black and the rest is a translucent white. This particular picture of the keys all lit up just looks sick to me, but upon further research, I found that most of the keys on the bottom row, including the spacebar, don't fit on Corsair keyboards because Corsair makes their Windows keys a little bit smaller and their spacebar a little bit bigger. All the other keys would work just fine, but I didn't want to have mismatching keycaps, so in the end I decided to go with Corsair's own set of double shot keycaps. Those HyperX keycaps, however, just wouldn't leave me alone and remained in the back of my mind. While swapping my original keycaps for Corsair's double shot keycaps, it finally occurred to me what I should have done. Since the original keycaps are simply painted black and are solid translucent white plastic beneath, why couldn't I just sand the paint off all the outside edges of the keycaps and essentially create the same look as those HyperX keycaps? I immediately grabbed myself some 220 grit sandpaper and set off to work. And boy, was it a lot of work. It created much more dust than I would have ever thought to. After sanding down just a few keycaps, I felt it wise to get a vacuum to clean up all the dust as I went along. It took me about 7 hours in total to sand down all 104 keycaps. And no, I did not do it all in one sitting. I would spend a couple hours here and there over the course of a few days, and by the time I was finished, I was so happy to be done. I'm not gonna lie, I had some pretty sore fingers by the time it was all finished, but I feel the results are totally worth it. I love the way the keys just fully illuminate now. I think they look amazing! Even with the lighting turned off, I think they look really cool. Having the white all exposed makes the keys just really pop. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've loved my Strafe RGB keyboard since the day I got it. Back then, I thought the lighting on it was already amazing, but this mod I feel has taken it to the next level. What do you guys think? Is this a mod you'd be interested in trying out yourself? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.